In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template in DocuSign. This skill is particularly useful if you frequently send documents for signature and want to streamline your process. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate over to your homepage once you're logged into DocuSign. On the homepage, you'll notice a tab labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on this tab. It's a central hub where you can organize and manage all your templates. From there, look for the option to create a new template and select it. This is your starting point for building a reusable framework for your documents. Next, you'll be prompted to add a name and description for your new template. Think carefully about these because they help not only you, but also any collaborators quickly identify the purpose of the template. For the name, keep it short but descriptive. Maybe include keywords related to its usage or the type of documents it will streamline. For the description, provide a bit more context. Think of it as a mini guide that outlines when and how this particular template should be used. Once you've set up that preliminary information, it's time to add your documents. Here you can start uploading the files that will make up the content of the template. This is where you'll want to ensure you've got the most current versions of any forms or contracts you're including. Simply drag and drop your files into the designated area or use the upload button to select them from your computer. This feature is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to include everything you need in your template. With your documents in place, the next step is to add the roles, names, and email addresses of the individuals who typically need to be included. In DocuSign, setting dynamic placeholders for roles ensures flexibility. It means that whenever you use this template in the future, you'll just need to fill out the specific names without worrying about the structure. For example, you could have roles labeled Manager or Client, which help in assigning tasks seamlessly. Finally, you have the option to add an email subject and a personalized message. This is a thoughtful addition that can set the stage for the recipient, providing context or clarifying any actions they may need to take. A clear, concise subject line and a well-crafted message can significantly enhance communication and leave a professional impression. After completing these steps, click the Next button. This final action takes all the elements you've set up and compiles them into your finished template. Now, your template is ready to be used whenever you need, making your document workflow more efficient and organized. Thank you for following along, and happy templating!